Well, here it is. My Nishi bag has arrived, and you have to forgive me, this is my first time to ever do an unboxing, and it would have to be such a big one, wouldn't it? But wow, it's been a long ride, and I've been really looking forward to seeing this. So let's get on with it. Oh wow, it's like Christmas. Oh. There we go. Thanks for watching. No, just kidding. Right. Let's make a bit of room here. Right. It's wow. It's beautiful. Nishi bag logo there, Nishi bag. First things first, there's a nice parachute strap on the back here to keep things tidy. This is the waist straps and the chest straps here. These are nicely padded. It's hard to believe that this bag has got something like 7 pockets hidden in the front of it and on the sides. We'll start with the pockets on the front. There's a pocket up here which is felt lined to put your sunglasses in. Nice. There's a little accessory pouch here, and there's another little pouch down the bottom here, which is waterproof and no doubt for your compact umbrella when it's wet, keeps it dry. There's a little accessory pouch on pouch on the side here. All the zips are waterproofed, which is a great idea. There's a USB port here with a cable inside to attach to your battery, and there's an earphone port here to listen to your player. There's an open pouch here on the side, which is perfect for your cocktail shaker, or in a pinch you could put a bottle of water in there, I suppose. Let's see. There's 2 main pockets. The front pocket on the front here with a mesh bag, so you can see your doodly stuff in there. A couple of pockets down a couple of dividers down the bottom there. This is all padded, so I imagine you could put an iPad or something in there. There's a couple of pen pouches to put your pens in, like that, which is just perfect, and a clip for your keyring. Just close that. On the back there's plenty of padding for the back. I like the way the straps here go round the back of your shoulders to fit a bit more snugly. The main bag is really quite huge. I mean, there's plenty of room in there for everything, and look at that. It's all velvet lined and quilted. Just beautiful. Perfect to put your trusty laptop in. Fits like a treat. Further down there's another pouch which is velvet lined and quilted, perfect for all your accessories and things that you don't want to get damaged and scratched. Yes, that works perfectly. There's the cable for your battery to plug in to the USB port on the side there. Great little idea. And there's still plenty of room in the bag for all of those other things that you need at work, like your squid. That fits quite neatly down the bottom there. Of course, just won't go anywhere without yeah, you're going to without your teddy. And there's still plenty of room for your hat. And there's still plenty of room in there. I mean, I could even put my teapot in there. Yep, no problem. Just joking. There it is, the Nishi bag from nishibag.com. There's also another pocket in the back here hidden, and that's waterproof as well. You could put an umbrella in it, but why not just put your remote control for your TV in there, and then you won't have to waste time looking for it when you get home. And there you have it. The Nishi bag from nishibag.com. Thanks guys for sending this to me. I know it's been a really hard year for you. I knew you were expecting to send this to me in February this year, and it's now almost September. Thanks for all your hard work. I really look forward to taking this out on the streets and showing it off in Tokyo and plugging it. Thanks for watching.